welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. We're going to be doing an unboxing today. Haven't done an unboxing in a little bit. It's been a little bit of time. This is actually a birthday package that my mom got me for our birthday, which is actually last week, maybe even 2 weeks ago. My birthday was on February 26th. Today is March 9th. It's actually my boyfriend's birthday today. And my mom ordered this package from Thailand, and she said she ordered it on February 19th. It looks like this company, whatever this company is from, I'll leave the extra information down below in the description box. If you guys want to know where this is from, I'll ask her after. She has totally surprised me. I don't know what's in this box. She had ordered another plant for me already on Etsy, and I thought that was it. That was my gift. And apparently she ordered something else for me because she's the best mom ever. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. There is a phytosanitary certificate. It looks pretty official to me, and there's gift wrap and stuff inside. It seems like one of the stems is broken, but this is what it looks like, and I don't think that it's a healthy plant. My mama's gonna be very sad. I don't know if I can really save this guy. I think I'm gonna try to cut back all the cold damage because I'm pretty positive that that's what this is. You can tell that they're it's almost as if they've been frozen and then died. There's really no other way to say that. The stem is also super soft. I live in Texas. It's not gotten below 30 degrees here. It's only gotten cold at night, and there's really no reason for this plant to have gotten frozen unless it was left outside in, I guess, maybe it was in Chicago Customs or something. But yeah, I don't know. I'm a little disappointed. It looks like down here, this leaf right here, seems like it could possibly make it. I'm a little sad. This makes me even more hesitant to buy plants from Thailand, and I don't know. I'm obviously really thankful and grateful to my mom, but I'm sad that she spent the money on this. It was wrapped in moss. So I don't think that one is good. This one seems to still have a couple of green leaves on the bottom here, but for the most part the leaves are gone. It's okay. It's okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. It's fine. But yeah, I guess again, this is just a sort of warning out there that I really don't think very many people talk about. If you're going to be importing plants, you have the risk of it not getting to you, even if you have the phytosanitary certificate. That is the one thing that I don't think people talk about. Everyone's oh, you should have gotten the phytosanitary certificate. Well, yeah, if you get the phytosanitary certificate, there's still time that it could be held in customs just because customs is so busy. Yeah, I'm gonna see if maybe I can save this guy. I don't have very high hopes because, cold damage is really hard to come back from. Yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It wasn't a very happy one, but it's okay. I'm really thankful for my mom for getting this for me. The Mirabellis that I got from her is absolutely gorgeous, and I love it. I still feel like I would possibly order from Thailand in the future, but just know that this could happen to you. If you like me and you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. Comment down below if you've ever ordered from Thailand, if this has ever happened to you. Let me know your experiences. But yeah, I'm just really unlucky. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!